Hello everyone, welcome back to the Logging Aid channel. Today for this episode of Logging Aid, I will be showing you the process for how you can turn off restricted mode on YouTube. Now for that, first of all, you open the YouTube application on your mobile device, tap upon the application. Once you are at the YouTube channel, you need to tap on your profile icon on the top right. There, tap on your profile. Then you need to click on the settings. Once you're inside setting, you need to tap on the general on the very top. Tap on general. Now you scroll down to the very end and there you will see the restricted mode. Now to turn off the restricted mode, you need to tap on the toddler and it will move to the left side. Once it moves to the left side, the restricted mode on your YouTube has been disabled or been turned off. This is how you can easily turn off restricted mode on your YouTube. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Logging Aid channel and also don't forget to click on bell icon for the notification and updates. Thank you.